Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nurulisa Mdizwa Fakri and my metric cards number is AA181115. So today I will start with the introductions. So renewable energy source is an energy that is sustainable and it cannot be run out or is endless like the sun. So when we hear the term of alternative energy, basically it referring to renewable energy source. The most popular renewable energy source are solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, biomass energy and hydroelectric energy. But each of the renewable energy have their pros and cons too. A renewable resource can produce a clean energy, meaning less pollution and greenhouse gas emission, which contribute to the climate change, and it can be safe to our Earth. So in this report, we decided to combine three of renewable resource, which is the solar energy, hydroelectric energy, and biomass energy, because this combination will produce more product and the other's energy will back up if one of the energy resource have any problem. So next, Malaysia has the advantageous value in developing its solar energy due to its location in the equatorial zone. So as we know, our country are popular with the hot weather, which is give us the benefit of using solar energy. Then we go to the hydroelectric system is one of the renewable resource that have been chosen. So hydropower is the commercially developed in our country. So for the biomass basically is a conversion of solid fuel that made from plants materials into electricity. So to produce electricity, biomass involve a burning of organic materials that nowadays is much easier and energy efficient process. So next, we go to current system.
Hello, my name is Manizira Anak Perempuan Kelini Anan. Today I would like to present about the current system, which is the hybrid of solar biomass power plant. Firstly, I would like to talk about the concentrated solar power plant, also known as CSP plant. CSP plant use the mirror to concentrate sun's energy to drive traditional engine or steam turbine to create electricity. In parabolic through CSP plant, sun's energy concentrated by parabolic curve. For information, multiple parabolic through mirror shape in parallel row align to track the sun from the east to the west during the day. The disadvantage of parabolic through CSP plant is in diffuse light there is disability to focus sunlight that can cause output decrease dramatically. Next is the biomass power plant. Biomass power plant is the material that derive from the biological source such as animal and plant. The common method used in biomass power plant is direct combustion of biomass material such as agriculture waste and woody waste. The other method that used in biomass power plant is gasification, pyrolysis, and anaerobic digestion. The disadvantage of biomass power plant is energy need more space and the product require a large amount of storage room before being converted into energy. Lastly is the hybrid of solar biomass plant. The combination can be used design of power plant that CSP during the day and biomass during the night. The disadvantage of this hybrid is complicated to handle and the installation or the cost of installation is so high. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Aiman Adlina, and for our improved hybrid model, we combine solar, hydro, and biomass power plant. So this is the model of our power plant. As you can see, there's a dam for hydroelectric, biomass power plant, and also a solar power plant. So as you can see, this is our power plant system model, and biomass gas will be transferred to the combustion chamber to be burning and convert into heat energy. For solar tracking system, it is a mirror that traps the sunlight movement to trap the heat energy into the receiver. So for solar heat collector, we use parabolic trough will collect the heat energy. And From them, it will produce a high pressure to transfer the water flow into the hydro turbine for a rotation. And then the water will flow into the heat exchanger. It contains a combining of heat from biomass and solar turbine, and it will also transfer the water into a steam, and the steam will flow into the steam turbine. So at both hydro and steam turbine, they contain generator which can generate electricity from kinetic energy that produced from the turbine rotation. So if the main system of electricity is failed, we have the backup power source which can produce electricity from the energy storage.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amir Faris bin Ahmad. Today I will explain about the process, the mechanism and the benefit of the improved hybrid system. For the process and the mechanism of the improved hybrid system, we combine the biomass plant, solar thermal plant and hydroelectric plant into one hybrid system. The improvement from the current system is this system is not using a pump and steam condenser, which are using the large electric current to operate, but we are using the natural water pressure from the hydroelectric dam. To be precise, we add another power plant, which is hydroelectric plant, into a current hybrid system, which is biomass and solar thermal plant. For the process, firstly, the dam produce a very large water pressure to rotate the hydro turbine below the dam. The kinetic energy from rotating turbine will be converted into electricity by the generator. Then the balance of water pressure will supply the water into biomass plant and solar thermal power plant, which is a parabolic through reflector. The biomass plant will use the wood gas to be burned inside the combustion chamber, and then heat generated from the burning process will heating up the water around 300 degrees Celsius, which make the water turns into steam. Same process in solar thermal, the water will flow through a receiver and receive the concentrated heat from sunlight reflector, then heating up the water into steam. The steam from both biomass and solar thermal plant will go into the same turbine and rotates it to convert into electricity by the generator. The electricity combined from the hydroelectric, biomass plant and solar thermal plant will go into a grid system for distribution. A part of electrical energy from it will go into energy storage as backup power source if the hybrid system fails, so it will still be supplying the power to the grid system in a certain period. The benefit of this system, firstly, this system will produce a non-stop energy during day and night because the solar thermal plant will operate at day and the biomass plant will be operate at night. The hydroelectric plant will be operate for 24 hours. Secondly, this system will operate at a maximum efficiency because it only using a very small electrical energy to operate the plant because this system is not using a pump. So there will be no energy loss. Thirdly, this system is a compact and systematic. So only the small area of land will be taken for this hybrid system. Fourthly, it also produces a large amount of electrical energy in one hybrid system suitable for distribution to the whole metropolitan city and industrial area. And lastly, this system also has a backup power system if the hybrid system fails. This improved system also has a small disadvantage. Firstly, this system need a specific location such as near the river to get the water supply. Secondly, the efficiency will be affected if solar thermal plant not receive enough heat energy due to weather condition. And lastly, it is hard to be handled because this system is large and complex.
Hi, my name is Norhawani Shaira binti Muhammad Yazin. So, for the conclusion for our group project, by improving the hybrid system by using three types of renewable resource, by combining biomass energy, hydropower, and solar energy is the best recommendation. This is because each of this combination give result that will not affect the environment and not affect the user or harm during the production process. It can even reduce waste while using biomass energy. The new hybrid model for electric power supply achieves an increase in power with the innovation that have been studied with a combination of these three types renewable resource. So that's all from us. That's all the presentation from our group. And thank you. See you again.